This video provides a few examples for solving problems within DeltaMath online system for exterior angles of polygons. So here's our first problem. The measure of the exterior angles of heptagon are x, 2x, 5x, 6x, 7x, 9x, and 10x. Find the measure of the smallest exterior angle. All right, so in this one, I'm going to want you to write an algebraic equation, show your work, how you solve this. First thing, we know that the sum of the exterior angles for all convex polygons is 360 degrees every time. Doesn't matter what the size is. So this is a heptagon, so it's got 7 sides, 7 interior angles, 7 exterior angles. So we know that we're going to simply go x plus 2x plus 5x plus 6x plus 7x plus 9x plus 10x equals 360 degrees. So now let's just be careful combining like terms. We get 1, 3, 8, 14, 21, 30, 40. I hope I did that right. 40x equals 360 degrees. So then we're going to divide both sides by 40. Divide by 40. And we're going to get x equals 9 degrees. Now, careful here. It says, what's the measure of the smallest exterior angle? Well, in this case, our smallest angle is going to be the 1x, right? So in this case, it's going to be 9. It's going to be our answer. But be careful. They might have asked for the largest angle, right? If they ask for the largest angle, then you go 9 times 10 to get 90, right? Because 10x would be the largest angle. So we've got to read carefully on that. Submit. And we got it right. All right, another example. The measure of the exterior angles of a hexagon are x, 2x, 4x, 6x, 7x, and 10x. Find the measure of the smallest exterior angle. Again, the sum of the exterior angles is always 360. So now we're just going to write the equation. X plus 2x plus 4x plus 6x plus 7x plus 10x equals 360. And so we combine like terms to get 3, 7, 13, 20, 30. So we get 30x equals 360. We divide both sides by 30, and you get x equals 12. Now, again, this is the smallest exterior angle, which is just going to be 1x. So this answer is going to be just 12. But again, if they would have asked for the largest angle, it would have been 10x. So 10 times 12 is 120. So just make sure you read that, which angle it wants. Submit. And there you go. All right, this example says find the measure of a single exterior angle of a regular heptagon and round to the nearest tenth. All right, so heptagon has 7 sides, 7 angles. So the easiest way to solve this one is simply to take 360 degrees, and you think about it, there's seven angles, right? So 7 exterior angles times the angle measure has to equal 360. So you just divide by 7. So you could do this without writing an algebraic equation. You could just think of it as 360 divided by 7. And so I'm going to use my calculator here. So using my calculator, I get 51.428. But here we go. When we enter this into DeltaMath, it says it wants the nearest tenth. That's 1 decimal place. So 51.4, do we put that in there, or do we put 51.5? How do you determine that? Well, you see that the next digit, the 100th place, is a 2. So if that number has to be 5 or greater, then we would go to the next number. We go to 0.5. But if it's a 4 or 3, a 2, like it is in this case, a 1 or a 0, we're going to keep it. And so we're going to keep the 4, so it's going to be 51.4 is what we're going to enter. 51.4, submit. We got it right. Just be careful there because you don't want to make a little error just on the rounding. Let's do one more. I like this one because it does say now it wants to find the measure of the largest exterior angle, right? So exterior angles of a pentagon. We're going to write the algebraic equation. 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 6x plus 8x equals the sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. Exterior angles, not interior, right? The interior angles of the pentagon is 540. All right, so then we're going to combine like terms. We get 10, 16, 24x. So 24x equals 360. We're going to divide by 24. So we're going to get x equals 15 degrees. Now, we don't put 15 in as our answer because it says, what's the measure of the largest angle? So to find the largest angle, well, that's going to be the 8x, right? So it's going to be 8 times 15, which is 120. So that's what we're going to enter into DeltaMath. We're going to put in 120 degrees as the measure of the largest exterior angle. Submit. There you go. That's it.